I'm Martin Gamble, I'm the construction manager here at Crossrail Farringdon Station. Crossrail project is a brand new metro line connecting Reading in the west with Shenfield and Abbey Wood in the east, and there's a spur down to Heathrow. The Elizabeth line will increase by 10% the capacity of the whole of the London rail network. There's about 42 kilometres of tunnels that we've built, 10 brand new stations in the central area of London. Some of the ground conditions, particularly here at Farringdon, have been particularly challenging. You can see that the size of the tunnels that we're in are exceedingly large. So the station tunnels are around about 12 metres diameter. Everything below ground, because of the ground conditions and what have you, is generally in reinforced concrete. Station tunnels, where the 7-metre tunnel boring machine tunnels were expanded out to 12 metres, were done in sprayed concrete lining. Within the sprayed concrete lining there are lengths of steel reinforcement which get put in when the concrete gets mixed, so that it actually gets thrown out of the nozzle to the ground. That then provides the tensile strength for the primary lining when that starts going off. Obviously concrete is very poor in tensile strength. Having the steel in there means that the strength of the concrete can be done very quickly, and it's also very difficult to put in reinforcement bars and spray around those. There are 5 different types of track here on the Crossrail that we've used. There's the general flat normal track slab that you would see in most of stations on the underground. So under the Barbican Theatre we had to use what's called a floating track slab. The general philosophy is that you build a big flat slab, you put some massive steel springs in onto the track slab, you then jack it up so the track's actually suspended in mid-air but sits on these massive springs, and the springs dampen the vibration. Any spare steel and some of the props as they're cut out then were taken away and recycled. I think we recycled about 99% of all the materials that we used here at Farringdon. Everything on Crossrail is built for 120-year design life. Having the stuff there for such a long time and not being recycled or whatever was a key thing, just making sure that you build it once and it stays up.